Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Vivo phone device. Guys, you want to unpair guys Wi-Fi network in your Vivo phone, so guys you can unpair it. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. After that guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your network and internet setting. So guys, click here, then guys click on your Wi-Fi setting. So which Wi-Fi network guys you have paired guys in your Vivo phone. So as you want to unpair. So as you can see guys the setting option. So guys tap here. Guys you can see guys this forget option to unpair. Then guys we will unpair from here. Then guys this Wi-Fi will unpair guys. When you will pair guys you will have to enter password again. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.